Have you ever paused to consider how rapidly technology is weaving itself into the very fabric of our daily routines, transforming mundane tasks into seamless interactions? Whether it's planning a holiday or working from the comfort of your home, technology is at the heart of these transformations. Let's delve into some of the latest trends in technology that are currently making waves. One notable innovation is the rise of travel tech tools. Platforms like Kayak and Hotel Tonight are revolutionizing how we plan our travels. Kayak sifts through countless flight deals to find the best options, while Hotel Tonight specializes in snagging last-minute accommodations. Then there's Road Trippers, a gem for those who prefer the scenic route over the skies, offering tailored road trip plans. The cherry on top, Google Maps, which continues to be an indispensable navigator in our pockets. Another trend that's hard to ignore is the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence, particularly in the realm of content creation. The recent uproar among Taylor Swift's fan base over fake AI-generated images on social media platforms underscores the powerful capabilities and potential misuses of AI image generators. This incident not only highlights the challenges of content moderation on platforms like X, but also raises pressing questions about privacy and the ethical use of AI technologies. Switching gears to the workplace, the concept of hybrid work models is reshaping our professional landscapes. The Flex report indicates a significant shift towards structured hybrid work, with an average of around 2.5 days required in the office. This model not only caters to the desire for flexibility, but also addresses the changing dynamics of work-life balance. It's a trend that seems to favor productivity and employee satisfaction, pointing towards a future where remote work becomes a staple rather than an exception. To sum up, the landscape of trending technologies is as diverse as it is dynamic. From enhancing travel experiences with sophisticated digital tools to navigating the complexities of AI and reshaping workplace norms through hybrid models, technology continues to redefine the boundaries of what's possible. As we move forward, these innovations promise not only to transform how we live and work, but also to challenge us to adapt and rethink our approaches in this ever-evolving digital age.